In today's class, we will be learning a new topic, comparing quantities. What do you generally understand by the word comparing quantities?
The measuring the values
Comparing
of quantities.
quantities, sir.
Like,
Ratio of
A
something
comparing
like
of any two
kg
quantities.
to kgs.
suppose if I consider the weight of Shobhan and the weight of Uday, I say that Shobhan is having a larger weight than Uday. What does it mean?
Means that
So we
my
are
ratio is
comparing
more
both of
than
them.
Uday, sir.
I am comparing the weight of both the people, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I can say that he is 10 kg more than Uday, something like that. The same way, if I compare the weight of Shobhan with the weight of an elephant, I can say that weight of the elephant is, say, 1,000 times more than weight of Shobhan. In this way also I am comparing. Both the ways I am comparing. What difference is there?
The difference between my weight and elephant's weight, sir.
That is also comparison. When I compared your weight with Uday's weight, that is also comparison. So both the ways I am comparing. In one of the way which I use for comparison is finding difference. I found the difference of your weight and Uday's weight, and difference I said it as 10 kgs. When I compared Shobhan's weight with elephant's weight, I said elephant is 1,000 times more. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In this way, it is a comparison through subtraction. In this way, it is comparison by taking the ratio. In this particular chapter, we start with ratio. Then we move on to percentage. In this, we will learn finding increase or decrease in percentage and also estimating percentages. Then we will learn some of the terms related to buying and selling. We already have learned in lower classes cost price, selling price, profit, loss, sales tax. It's a new topic. Then we have compound interest. In this compound interest, we have formula to compute compound interest. We will calculate compound interest when it is compounded annually or half yearly. Then we have application of compound interest. This is what the outline of this chapter. We have to start with the first topic called ratio. Ratio is a mean of comparison by division. It is a quantitative relation between two quantities which reflects the relative size of both the quantities. It is simply the means of comparing two quantities. Can we compare any two quantities? That's an interesting question. Can I compare that I have got 10 rupees and you have got 100 notebooks? Can I compare like that?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
So whenever we compare the quantities should be of the same type, or the
Same.
same kind.
Yes, sir.
When I said it is a relative size, it was the Shobhan's weight and elephant's weight was a clear example. It will give relative size. Something is sometimes more than the other. We'll look at one of the example here. Suppose in a classroom there are 20 boys and 40 girls. Find the ratio of boys to girls.
The 1:2.
Very good.
2, sir. 1:2.
If the question is a ratio of boys to girl, it is 1:2. You are absolutely correct. Suppose if I change the question, what is the ratio of number of boys to the total number of students in the classroom?
1:3, sir.
Sir, 1:3.
1:3.
1:3.
Correct.
sir.
3.
Rajshekhar, you're right. What if the ratio of girls to the total number of students considered?
2:3.
4 is to 6 is 2 is to 3.
2 is to
Correct.
3.
Correct. Correct.
2 is to 6, sir.
So when we calculate the ratio, we take it as a fraction 20 by 40. This particular fraction is nothing but 1 by 2, and the fraction is always written as a ratio, and it is read as 1 is to 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
Look at this example. 5 meter to 10 kilometer, I need to write it as a ratio. Observe both the distances are the distances.
No, sir. The quantity is
Sir, we should have to convert kilometer in meter, sir. Then we have to write pi upon 10,000.
Equals to
Correct.
10,000.
Correct.
10,000
We know
meter.
that 1 kilometer is 1000. So the required ratio will be, this is there's a mistake, it is 10 kilometers, 5 meter upon 10 kilometer. When we convert it, 5 meter by 10 times of 1000, which will be 1 is to 2000, and it is
1 is to
written like
2000.
this: 1 is to 2000. Before we move on to the percentage, at this stage, I would like to revise one of the topic which is not mentioned in this chapter: proportion.
Yes, sir.
Though it is not
Extreme
mentioned, we are going to
and-
learn this. Whenever we have two ratios, say A is to B and C is to D, if these two ratios are having the same value, I say that they are in proportion, and this is the way to represent the proportion. Here, A and D, they are
extreme term.
extremes, and B
Extreme term, sir.
and C are
The mean terms.
Mean term. Means are in.
the product A times of B will be equal to B times of C.
Mean into C.
This is what we had learned it in previous classes. The product of extremes will be equal to the product of means. Yes?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we will move on to the word percentage. This is very familiar to you. If somebody asks you what is the percentage of marks you have obtained in the last year, you will be able to say that it is 90%, 85%, something like that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So what is the meaning of percentage?
Sir, the number of marks obtained by the total number of marks into 100.
Into 100?
So by ratio by 100.
100.
Comparing to 100, sir.
Comparing to 100.
Comparing with respect to 100.
When we'll get 60
When we
marks out of
cut this percentage, this particular thing is taken from the centum, which refers to 100. So for 100, we calculate each time.
yes, sir.
Okay, this is another means of comparing quantities. It means for every 100 in the fraction, if the denominator is 100, then the numerator is the percentage, and it is written as a symbol percentage. This symbol is used, and it is read as percentage. So for example, if I have 5 upon 100, it means that it is same as 5%. Yes. There are two methods to find percentage. One of the method is
To get into 100.
by finding it as a fraction, something upon the total quantity into 100. The second method is unitary method.
Unitary method.
We shall see a few examples to understand this fraction method and unitary method. First, we will solve this particular question by fraction method. If there are 20 boys out of 50 students in the class, then find percentage of boys. Here,
Sir, 40.
20 is
40,
the
sir.
number of boys. 50 is the
40%.
total number of students. How did you calculate it as a 40%?
Sir,
20 by
20 divided by
50,
50 to 100, sir.
divided by 15 to 100, sir.
Students into 100, sir.
Hmm. So we'll find it like that.
Yes, sir.
To make the denominator as 100, we can multiply this with 2 and this with 2. It becomes 40 by 100, it becomes 40%, as simple as that. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the denominator has become 100 now, so it is 40%. This is a method. Another method is unitary method. In this unitary method, we need to find the value of 1 unit and then multiply the required number of units. 20 boys out of 50 students were there. When total number is taken as 100 students, we write the fraction first. This is the fraction. Then we directly multiply this with 100 to get 40%. In both the methods, we had the same result. Okay, we do solve the problem. We don't write which method it is. Okay, we shall see one of the question here. Suppose in a classroom there are 20 boys and 40 girls. Find the percentage of boys and girls. We know that 20 students out of 60 are boys. So the percentage of boys will be 20 upon 60 into 100, which is 33.33%. Here, I have used a unitary method. 40 students out of 60 students are girls. So the percentage of girls will be 40 by 60 into 100, 66.67%. You may get the doubt, why did I write here 66.67? Why not 66.66?
Sir, because
Sir,
if
we
we
should take
add
estimate, sir.
57 and 33, it
Better
becomes
got
100, sir.
it.
We should estimate it.
Sir, you
Last
have
year,
estimated to nearest one.
correct. Last year you have learned decimals. What type of
Yes, sir.
decimal we get here? What type of
Sir,
decimal?
terminating,
Non-terminating.
non-terminating.
Non-terminating, and it is called as
Always
recurring.
Rational number, sir.
A recurring decimal. Recurring means repeating decimal. When we calculate here, it is 66.6666. It continues. Here, the digit 6 is larger than 5. So I have rounded off this particular tenth, tenth place. Sorry, 100th
Yes, sir.
place. So it becomes 67. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the number of boys, the percentage of boys is 33.33, and the percentage of girls is 66.67. Another question: convert 3:4 into percentage.
Sir,
75.
We have
75%.
to write this.
75.
We have to write this as a fraction. It's 3 by 4. When we multiply this with 100, we get it as 75%.
75%.
So what percentage is left out?
25%.
Left, sir.
25% is remaining.
25% is left out, sir.
What is 25% in terms of fraction?
Sir, 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yes,
1
sir.
by
1 by
4.
4.
What is the ratio? 1:4.
1 is 4.
This is what you should understand it.
Yes, sir.
Next question, very interesting. A city has 50% people liking cricket, 40% liking football, and the remaining liking other games. If the population,
City is 50 lakh. Then, and
Uday, you are reading it out. If the population of city is 50 lakh, then find out how many percent of people like other games. Also calculate the number of people for each type of game.
50%, 25 lakhs, sir.
50%
Six-
means 50 by 100.
25 lakh. 40%,
25 lakh, 40% is 20 lakh. Why
10%,
10%?
The
Sir, it is left out, sir.
10% is from the total 100, we need to subtract 50 as well as 40. We get the remaining as 10. So it's very easy. Here the percentage of people liking other games will be 100 minus sum of this 50 plus 40, which will become 10%. Now the total number of people given is 50 lakh. So the number of people who like cricket will be 50 by 100 into 50 lakh, which is 25 lakh. Same way we can calculate for the other two, it becomes 20 lakh and 5 lakh.
5 lakh for
Very good. Any doubt?
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is also another concept which you have learned earlier. What is the meaning of increase or decrease?
Percentage.
Increase. Increase.
Sir, increasing means
Hmm.
up,
going up.
going up.
Sir, finding
Order
the
to
increase
pick up,
of
sir.
one object in percentage.
Sir,
So
increasing means
I'll
down.
give an example.
Increasing numbers.
You can see this. It's a mobile.
Yes, sir.
The cost of this mobile in 2020 it was 25,000.
Yes, sir.
Since so many brands of the mobiles have come up, in 2021 the cost has been reduced to 23,000.
Yes, sir.
There is a decrease here.
Decreasing, yes, sir.
Decrease.
Sir, 2000 decrease.
What
Yes, sir.
percentage of decrease is there here?
Sir, we should have to write 2000 divided by 2500 into 100.
25,000 into 100.
25,000 minus 23,000 is 2,000.
8%.
So 2,000 rupees out of 25,000 is been reduced. When we multiply this with 100, we
Percentage
get
reduce.
percentage decrease, which is 8%.
8% decrease.
So there's a 8% decrease. So it's very easy to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give a statement for increase and decrease percentage. To find increase or decrease percent, multiply the percentage by the given actual quantity from which we need to increase or decrease. Then we add this actual quantity or subtract this actual quantity and the obtained quantity to get the result. We understand it by examples. Here also there are two methods. One of the method is to calculate the percentage, then adding and subtracting. The another method is called a unitary method. Let's solve this particular question in both the methods so that we understand better.
Yes, sir.
Question here is, if the price of the refrigerator was 50,000 rupees last year and it increases by 20% this year, then what is the price now?
Sir,
So,
60,000.
so this is percentage increase.
Yes, sir. Increase.
So there is an increase in percentage. 60,000 is the answer. Somebody said it. We see.
Yes, sir.
First, we'll calculate.
60,000.
We'll calculate 20% of 50,000.
10,000, sir.
To be
10,000.
10,000.
Increase.
The
10,000.
actual value at present will be the original value plus the increased price. Original value was 50,000 plus 10,000 gives 60,000. Therefore, the current value of the refrigerator is 60,000. This method is the first method. Now we will take up unitary method to solve the same question. When unitary method is there, we have 20% increase. It means for every 100 there is an increase of 20 rupees. If 100 is the total amount, the increase will be 120.
Yes, sir.
So 50,000 will increase to 50,000 into 120 by 100, we get 60,000 directly. Hence, the increased value of the refrigerator has come directly. You can follow any of these two methods. Here is a question. You can just tell what you have understood from this.
1000.
The price
So
of a certain
10%
item.
was added to the price, sir. After adding some more features in that.
1000, sir.
Correct. It's like the previous question.
10% increased, amount increased
Yes,
because
sir,
they
it is
have
like
added
a,
some
Yes, sir,
extra
it is.
facilities, sir.
Yeah, it is
yes,
like
sir,
the
the
previous
same.
question. 20,000. There it was 50,000. So here 20,000 is
Yes,
the
sir.
original price. To this, the percentage is added up.
22,000, sir.
Correct, sir.
22,000.
Correct. Very good.
22,000.
Very good.
2,000 is the increased price, sir. When you will add with
Hmm.
20,000, you get 22,000 is a new price.
Now, if I give a simple question, say the cost of a car is 6 lakh at present, and a very next year the owner wants to sell it, he will decrease 5% from this and he sells. Now you tell me what is the price for the car?
Sir, 5 lakh
70,000, sir.
70,000, sir.
5,70,000, sir.
70,000.
Why 5,70,000?
Sir, 1% means 6,000, sir.
Mhm.
5% means
6 lakh
30,000
is 30,000,
decreases, sir.
sir. 6
Hmm.
lakh minus 30,000 is 5,70,000.
20,000.
So to find out, we can find the decrease in the amount. So the decrease in the amount is nothing but 5 upon 100 times of 6 lakh, and it comes out to be
5,70,000.
5 lakh.
30,000. Yeah.
30,000.
30,000, sir.
30,000, yes, sir. 30,000 will
30,000 will be the value which is decreased.
decrease. Yes, sir.
So when we
Yes, sir.
find the new price would be the actual price
Minus.
minus the decreased value.
Yes, sir.
Actual price is 6 lakh minus 30,000, and it comes out to be 5 lakh.
5,70,000.
70,000, sir. 5,70,000.
Yes. Uday, you are outside.
No, sir.
Here is a similar type of question, but not the same. The new salary of an employee is 50,000 after he was given 15% increase in his salary. Find out the initial salary. Srishail,
10% of X.
Srishail,
Sir, 85 by 100 into 50.
observe here. Yes, I have considered as an initial salary. Initial salary plus the increment will give us the new salary. So the
The 5,
increment is given as 15%. It means 15% of yes initial salary. So when we calculate this, the LCM is 100. We get 115 yes is equal to 50,000. We will find out the value of yes here. Yes will be 50,000 into 100 by 115. Let us simplify this. This is divisible by 5, 5 2 times, 5 3 times. This will be 1 followed by 4 zeros. Further, it cannot be divisible. So rough value we calculate, it comes out to be 43,480. Therefore, his initial salary is 43,480.
Sir,
This
can we
one-
do it like this, sir? 15 divided by 15 divided by 100 into 50,000. So then that answer will come. We should have to add that to initial salary.
Sir, we can also do in other methods, sir.
See, the initial salary was not given. That is X. 15% of X to be added to get new salary. New salary is given as 50,000. It's that simple here.
150.
This should be simplified.
X into 115 by 100 is equal to 50,000. We can do nothing.
X you can take common. We get 115. The same thing was done.
Yes,
Find the
sir.
value of X.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this question number 3 is for you to solve. A zoo had 950 visitors on Sunday, while on Monday the number of visitors were just 170. Then calculate the percentage decrease in the people on Monday. I'll give you a minute time to solve this.
Sir, 71% some number will come, sir, after decimal.
71.
71 point something something.
Sir,
81.
80% is
80,
80
82,
point something.
decrease, sir.
82.75.
80, sir.
80, sir. 80 something.
Sir, 81 point.
Let's solve and check it. Decrease in the number of visitors is
81.
Yes, sir.
950 minus 170. What's the
780.
difference? 780?
Yes. Yes, sir. 7.
Yes.
780, sir.
780 is the decrease.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the percentage decrease is actual formula you have to remember. It is a decrease
By larger.
upon actual multiplied to 100.
Yes, sir.
Actual is 950. It should be considered as a reference. 780 by 950 into 100. So one of the zero get
Sir,
cancelled.
82 point something.
82%, sir.
19, sir. 19.
82.2%, sir.
5 19 times, 5 20 times, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So when we multiply this 20 with 78, what do we get? 16, 1 carry, 71760 divided by 19.
Yes, sir.
So it is 8 times
82.2,
82, approximately 82.2.
sir.
Sir.
2.
1.2.
156. Some 150.
But you observe it's a number of visitors.
1.
So we need to
82.1.
consider as
Into 82%, sir.
correct, sir, 82 visitors, because you cannot say that 82.2 visitors were there.
Sir,
It is percentage, sir.
15,060 will come, sir. 1,500.
Percent, sir.
So it is percent.
Sir,
No, there is
sir,
no
it is
problem.
percent.
So there is no problem. We'll keep like that only.
Yes, sir. When we will do estimates, sir, then it will come.
We will not do estimate because it is a percentage. We'll keep it as 1 decimal. At the max, we keep it as 2 decimal places.
Sir, 78 into 20 is wrong, sir.
78 into 20 is wrong. Huh?
15,
What is this? 14 plus
1,560 will come.
151560. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
1560, sir.
Correct,
80
sir.
something.
Now over to you. You must have seen so many boards that discount is offered. Why do a shopkeeper or a vendor allows discount?
Sir, because
To
they
get
will,
more
they will be getting
customers.
some new
The
goods,
old
sir.
items
To get
sold
more
quickly,
profit,
sir,
sir.
for
They will get the
increase
results, sir.
Totally agree.
And the more sales of that particular item.
Yes, sir. They wanted to sell themselves, so they will get offer or discount, sir.
Is it given because they want to fool us?
No,
Sir,
sir,
they
if
want-
something somebody is not buying a particular item, sir, they will decrease that amount of that particular item.
Sir, they will be getting new goods, sir. They should sell the old goods, sir, so that
They want to attract people. They will be not having money, sir.
Sir, because they want to
Having
sell
any,
their things.
Somebody said very important thing. They want to attract.
Sell.
attract.
Sir, attract.
Yes, sir. Attract and they wanted to sell them first.
Attract. They want to finish off the goods.
Yes, sir.
Finish off old goods.
Get
Sir,
more
because
customers.
they
Hmm.
sell here.
Then
When no offer will be there, sir, nobody will come, sir.
generally you must have seen whenever there is a festival or whenever there is a festival, they give some percentage decrease in the price. Say discount is allowed 5%, 10% like that. Or they may also give a board indicating that hurry up for 15 days, the discount is 30%, something like that. This particular discount is given so that whatever the old items are there, that should be sold off, it should be emptied so that the industry will make the new items.
Sir, how they gain profit, sir?
They don't gain profit, they will be under loss, but
Sir,
not
instead of
complete
losing
loss.
full loss, but they will be getting less loss, sir.
Yes, Shobhan, you are right. Suppose if there is a uh, box, a compass box for rupees say 150. If so many compass boxes of this particular type is there in the stock, if discount is allowed, say 10% discount is allowed, then the new price will be
135.
no doubt
15 rupees
less than
difference,
this.
135,
sir.
sir. 135.
135, sir.
135.
Yes. Instead of having 100% loss, the company will be ready to lose 10%.
Yes, sir. Only they will lose only
Yes,
10.
sir.
10%. Generally, what they do when they do the next production, they increase the price there. Instead of 150 rupees, they
They will
increase
increase
it to
100.
162,
170.
165 rupees, so that
They will get that.
the
They will get profit, sir.
whatever the loss company has undergone, they will get the profit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is a
Understood?
They will get, sir.
business, sir. Business.
Whenever the discount is allowed, people will be ready to buy the items in bulk. They will
Yes, sir.
buy in larger quantities so that the company will not be under so much of loss. Little bit of loss that particular year it will be having. Okay, if no doubts, we shall stop the session. We shall continue the same concept of
Bye, sir. Thank you,
discount.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank